Hey, it's Sydney and welcome back to my fall trend guide. So every week we've been going over the hottest trends for the season and showing easy ways to wear them at home. So if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm so happy to have you. Make sure to subscribe because there is a new trend guide every Thursday. And today it's all about plaid. Plaid is a print that comes back into season every fall, and this season it's very on trend, so it's great to invest in because you can wear it next year as well. There's so many different ways to wear plaid. Today I wanted to go over a more sophisticated plaid, which is a smaller checked print. So my favorite piece is a plaid blazer because you can wear it so many ways. So first I want to show you a very classic, easy way to wear a plaid blazer just with a turtleneck and jeans. I made it a little on season by adding a metallic bootie because silver is very in this season. You can also do plaid on plaid with a plaid blazer. So you could do a matching pant or a matching dress. So this is giving me all the Clueless vibes. The 90s have made a major comeback. So I can wear the plaid dress with the turtleneck underneath on its own or add the plaid blazer for a matchy-matchy touch. Another way I like wearing a plaid blazer is with leather leggings. So here I went sans shirt underneath, very risque, but I have a little double stick tape. That way the blazer stays put, especially when you add a waist belt. So the double stick tape is definitely your friend with this trend. And then on bottom, I just did a matching leather pump to lengthen my legs. Plaid shirts are definitely still in. I'm sure a bunch of you have plaid shirts in your closet, so keep wearing them. But today I want to show you something a little bit different, the plaid shirt dress. So for the first look, I dressed it up a little bit with a big statement necklace and then added some booties. And then I brought it into the weekend by making the shirt dress into a top. You simply unbutton it, leave it belted, add your favorite pair of leather leggings, and it makes it extra sexy for a night out. Plaid pants are another way to do the trend, and there's lots of plaid pants out there. You could do something that matches your blazer for a suit vibe for the office. You could do something tighter to do the whole 90s grunge thing. I personally like the paper bag waist pant trend. So when I'm doing a plaid pant, since it has that menswear element, I like to add more feminine pieces. So I did a little bow blouse and a pearl belt to just make it a little more girly. You can also mix plaid with other prints. I personally love plaid with stripes. I think it's a really fun pattern mix. So for a more casual look with my plaid pants, I used the matching belt and then I added a striped t-shirt and then a leather bomber jacket, never goes out with style. And then I just did a bootie on bottom and I feel like this is giving me some London vibes. So it's a fun look if you live in the city. So those are just some plaid ideas for you to get started for fall. You can also do plaid coats like I'm wearing in the photo behind me. Plaid coats are a great staple to have all throughout the season. And for more ideas, you can always check out a past video I did a couple years ago on plaid. There's some fun ways to work scarves in there. And I love seeing how you have been wearing the trends at home. So keep them coming. Trend Girls of the Week have been killing it. So to upload your photo, just add it to Instagram by tagging @SydneSummer and SS Trend Guide. Every week I choose a Trend Girl of the Week and feature her over on my Insta stories and my weekly newsletter. So make sure to subscribe because there's a new video every Thursday. Bye guys.
Now let's talk about a plaid, no scratching. Great piece to, no, tight, starting over.